come spend the day cleaning with me. We're starting off with our living room and kitchen area with a much needed clean, organize, and declutter. As you can see, there is just stuff everywhere that needs to be finally put away, and that's what I'm going to be starting off with today. We've had quite the busy week, so a lot of the stuff just piled up all around the house. My kids have been just a little bit under the weather. I've seemed to kind of catch just like a really mild cold. So we're basically kind of recovering, and now that we're feeling better, it is really time to just pick up everything and just do a major cleaning, especially my daughter's room. You guys will see later on, I am doing a very deep clean in her room, which was much needed. I cannot believe that there's baby powder everywhere, all over the floors. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena, Mama of 2. I do cleaning, organizing, and decluttering. Clean with me videos for cleaning motivation. And if this is the type of content that you guys like to watch, I would love if you guys gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Like I'm brand new, let's ignore it. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second.
One of the biggest problems in our house is that things don't get put away. And when we are doing really well and really great and we have tons of time, obviously things get put away. But it really boils down to the time that we are super busy. So during school, after school activities, things like that, where we don't really have much time to kind of prep and make sure that the house is clean. That's where the house gets super messy. Honestly, I have absolutely no idea what happened in my daughter's room. It's like a bomb exploded. All of her toys are just everywhere. So that's what we're doing. We're going to be picking up, decluttering, organizing this room. There is, like I said, baby powder all over the floors. I don't know what she was doing, but that has to be swept.
We parted, back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. What if
Laundry has absolutely piled up, as you can see. In these baskets, we have tons of clean laundry, and it is time to organize it and put it away. Now, the drawers are not perfect. They are not completely organized, but that's okay. I don't have time to do that today. I just need to get the stuff out of sight and out of mind and just into the drawers, and that's all I'm doing. I'm going to do another day where I just kind of reorganize all of her clothes again and go through the things that maybe she's not going to be able to wear anymore, that she doesn't fit into. But like I said, that's a different day.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
So much better. Her room is totally decluttered and it's just so much cleaner. Now it is time to wash my dog. And if you guys don't know, this is Nala. She is a German Shepherd Husky mix, and she is such a mess. She's so dirty. She likes to spend a lot of time outdoors, so she actually really likes to get dirty, and this is like she hates to get bathed. So we're kind of struggling here. My son's recording this, and she is trying to get out because she would prefer to be a crusty, smelly dog if it was up to her.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Right now we're taking a break from cleaning, and we are actually headed over to Costco and a few other stores. Now we have to restock in all of the essentials, especially things for our mini fridge, so waters, sodas, juices, things like that. We are stopping by Ross real quick so my kids can pick out something with their own money before we head back home and start organizing the mini fridge again.
You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different.
Whatever doesn't fit into the mini fridge just goes into our other dream pantry area so the kids can access everything. We've got other Gatorades there. We've got like protein milks there. Obviously some of our alcohol is there because we really don't have any space to keep it anywhere else. So this just tends to be a catch-all for pretty much all of the drinks, and we also have a lot of the snacks here. Restocking some of the candy containers, and if you guys don't know, I'm like obsessed with these dark chocolates. They're so good, so I stocked up on that because you can find that all throughout Valentine's usually. And now back into the little bar area. These countertops obviously are getting decluttered, and I have to throw out all the fruit, and I'm so disappointed. So I had my air fryer in front of this, and all of the warm air blew on top of the fruit. And everything just got so moldy so fast. So note to self and note to you guys, do not keep the air fryer when it is on near any fruit, bread or anything because it will completely destroy it, and it did. So I had to get new fruit today. Picked up some mangoes and some apples to refill this so the kids have some fruit.
Thinking about the way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, sinking down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna.
So this is a little makeshift pantry area, and I started clearing this out. I didn't finish everything on camera because I just got super into it and just started tossing things and going through expired things. But you guys can see just like the beginning of what we were doing. We took a little break. We went to go actually look at some houses, came home, and finally the piece for my Roomba was in. I know in my last video or 2 videos ago, I tried fixing my Roomba and I got it to work for a few days, but there's like a little module for that little side sweeper, and that I believe was completely burnt out. So I ordered a replacement, and thankfully it did end up working. Now, as you guys can see, as someone with a very hairy dog, this is what our vacuums tend to look like after just like a few vacuumings, and there's just fur everywhere in this. So I have definitely gotten used to constantly cleaning out the vacuums, and that's what I'm doing here. There's just fur all over this, and no matter what kind of vacuum we get that's advertised as like a pet friendly or whatever vacuum, it's not at least not for ours. Like when you have a husky, it's fur galore. So I got it to work, and I'm super happy because this little Roomba mechanism just saves so much time for me.
The way you make me grounded, thinking of the way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, sinking down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special.
If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd be super grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the videos that will be coming out in the future, usually about 1 every week, and we do a ton of day in the life shorts.
With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you